Alright guys, so we're currently inside a Lamborghini Urus. This is another Lamborghini Urus Widebody 1016 Industries project. This car was fully painted, gloss black. It's super shiny, but it is dusty as hell right now because a lot of work went into this car. And this car actually was rock chipped all over, so we ended up painting the whole car. We did a full carbon fiber interior swap, and we just installed this carbon fiber steering wheel as well with the red to match. It has RDB signature wheels, and this car slammed. It also has a Capristo exhaust system, just like my car. We're gonna start it up so you guys hear it. It is the baddest system on the market for this car. We didn't do downpipes, it gets too loud. We have another black one here with downpipes. It's too loud. This is actually the perfect setup, so I'm gonna go ahead and start it. How'd you like the last YouTube video?
It was pretty good actually.
What'd you like about it?
You didn't watch it.
I did. I like the Maybach, first one. It's pretty good. Beginning of the video.
Cut that.
No, actually, the Rolls Royce was really nice. The one with the interior, custom interior, and that was.
Oh, he loves you.
He loves it.
Who wants ice cream? Alright, so this is the 200th wide body kit that we've done on the Urus. I just say 200 because we've done so many. Probably every single shop in the world combined hasn't done. So yeah, this is number 200, I think. And if it's not 200, then it might be 150. But yeah, another wide body kit. And yeah, and this nice gentleman is taking it to the address. Yeah.
Where's the address?
It's going. I think it's somewhere here in LA. But it does look good, you know, all of them look good. This is another one. We'll never get bored and tired of the wide body kit because it always looks good. Yeah, it's got about 30.
Hey, bro, clean that. Alright, we are sitting in the new Maserati MC.
So they kind of copied the Ferrari, correct?
So Maserati, Ferrari, kind of the same. But I always feel like Ferrari doesn't let Maserati build like a crazy car.
Yeah, this is one
Like
of the
this
first
car
ones.
is really cool looking and crazy.
But still not that.
But it's still not that good. Yeah. This car's brand new. Customer got it because he wants to modify it already. We have wheels coming for it. Can't lower it yet. Nobody's figured that out. We'll look into it. We're gonna do a clear bra on it. And then this customer didn't get the carbon fiber outside, which is a $40,000 option. He got the rest, it's just like plastic black. So we're gonna paint all of it gloss black. This car has this big ass button in the middle that has wet, GT Sport, Corsa. Sort of like the Ferraris on the steering wheel, but they have it here. Let's see how it performs. I heard it's not that fast.
Sound sucks.
So far, you wanna know what I'm comparing this drive to? Like the new Supra.
Yeah, I think Supra's exhaust sound is better than this, to be honest.
We have it in Corsa mode right now, so I'm guessing this is the fastest shifting mode, and it doesn't feel good. Initial thoughts?
I think
This car's kind of slow.
the exterior
And it does have a high rev limit, like it's, what is that, 8,000 RPM? But I don't know if the power is limited with the mileage. It would make sense, because this car is what, it says 620 horsepower?
621 horsepower.
Okay, it doesn't feel like that. It feels like 400 horsepower. So it has a digital review, so when you hit this, now it's regular, but you can't see anything because it's like a little window. So you gotta do digital. I bet you this has a break-in, and it will destroy your car when it breaks in. Nice, we actually have a photographer now that gets out of the car in traffic, takes pictures, and then we have and that one, the video editor doesn't even move his arms. His arms don't move.
The seatbelt, I don't like the seatbelt look. It like goes
It's
like
not adjustable, you're right, yeah.
This one's
It's not
so
made
seat
for
belt.
fat necks
It's
like
1. Performance, it's 4.
Seatbelt is 1. You're rating the seatbelts?
It's not the first time we're doing a test drive, so.
Wow.
So
You
this
could
is-
hear all the rocks going through the car. That means there's not too much soundproofing on this car. I've never really enjoyed Maserati, starting with the Gran Turismos, which were really,
popular.
I don't know, yeah, that was popular, and they had the sport button,
Yeah.
so everybody thought it was like a Ferrari, and they would press it, and they would like leave it in first gear, going up and down. Their SUV is terrible.
Yes. I think
It could be worse. It could be like an
yeah,
X6.
Cute. No.
Nothing is worse than an X6.
Bro, X6 was the number 1 SUV. Still number 1 SUV.
Crap. This thing feels too slow. Like, it feels like your M5 compared to my Urus.
Punch. Bro, this car sucks.
I don't know, man. It makes a lot of turbo noises, like it's trying to sound cool. I guess if you're a Maserati fan, it could be cool, but if you're already not a Maserati fan, you're not
You know
gonna be
what
a
sucks
fan
on
of
this car? It's a V6. That's why it doesn't have a sound.
But yeah, that's what I'm saying. Why not make this car more aggressive and crazy, match the looks on the exterior, and really bring back that Maserati brand? I mean, this would have been a good one, because people are talking about this car because it looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
But they should have made it performance-wise really, really good. So, you know, everybody would have been that Civic.
Gee, I honestly was trying to race this car. Of course you will. Okay.
This is gonna be like the new fucking Scion FRS of the exotic car world.
Oh, sucks.
Wow, it's like a STO.
Maserati's gonna sue us.
It looks good.
You just said you didn't like it off camera.
No, I like it. The looks are nice. It's very nice, but I don't like the way he drives. The driving stuff is
You
not.
haven't even been in the while it's driving.
Yeah, but I just heard that. Vic told me I believe him, but I believe him. So if he says it's bad, then it's bad. So yeah, it's definitely very far away from being a Ferrari, for sure.
The color is called Blue Infinito. It is 242,000 MSRP. 80% of the car is made in Italy, 10% in the US. The metallic paint's $4,500 option. Suspension lift is $4,000. Spoilers $5,500. Black roof is $4,000. That's a lot of.
What's the most expensive?
Most expensive option is the paint at $4,500. Oh no, the spoiler is $5,500.
Carbon spoiler.
Yeah.
But what is the 0 to 60?
0 to 60. I think Sarkis said it's 2.9, right? 0 to 60? I don't know. But it has apparently incredible performance. So we're trying to find out if there's a break-in where the performance is limited, but I don't know. Get off the bike. Hey, this is a $23,000 bike. Get off the bike.
Should I get rollers or start?
Oh man, get off the bike.
Why?
Nice, bro.
What's 23,000 of this?
Alright guys, if you guys have followed me along, you guys know I do enjoy road bikes, and just like the cars, I like to go crazy with them. This right here is pretty much an exotic road bike. It is considered one of the best in the world. It is the new Pinarello F series. I had the F12 before, this is the newer one. This is lighter, more aerodynamic, stiffer, all of that. Full carbon fiber frame, of course. This bike is loaded with carbon fiber. It's got a carbon fiber handlebar. It's got carbon fiber wheels from Lightweight Wheels. And those wheels are one of the lightest wheels ever made for bikes. Even the spokes are carbon fiber. The arm, the crank pulleys, carbon fiber. Overdrive pulleys, carbon fiber. The seat, carbon fiber. So literally almost everything is carbon fiber on this thing. It has electronic shifting from SRAM. It's got so much stuff. It has a power meter. This is fully loaded on top of it. I have the little radar sensor tail light. This thing tells you if there's a car actually approaching on the computer over there. This thing weighs 16 pounds, a little less than 16 pounds actually. It's truly one of a kind, honestly, and we had to custom make all this stuff. My buddy at Bicycle Pit Stop in Glendale helped me do all that stuff. Nobody has the same setup like I do. So, and like I said, this frame just came out. And there's only a few in the US right now. My F12 bike actually got stolen from my friend's bike stop. That got stolen and it was unfortunate. So I built this new one. This thing tops over $25,000 for a bike. And this is like an SVJ that's modified to extreme levels. So it's like a Lamborghini on steroids. And this is one of my hobbies. I don't even ride it enough. I hope to get into it a little bit more. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy my bike build.
Yeah, you want to go outside? Huh?
Did it again. Just going
I wish
outside.
the phone is cracked. Look.
It's all cracked for sure.
No.
Bro, he has everything.
What are you
Robert,
doing with that?
he can rob anything with that. He has the hoodie. I mean, he has the beanie. He has the stuff to open up the doors.
I opened the BMW with this 3 times already. No, that one, cut it.